Thanks for watching HISD Now, your source for what's happening in the district. I am Lana Hill.
And I'm Trey Sarna. It is Wednesday, August 20th. We're kicking things off today with our campus close-up series focusing on Pin Oak Middle School this week. Just uploaded to the channel today is this story on 6th grade English teacher Chase May. Check out how she's helping her students reach new heights with a supportive and positive learning environment. You can also check out the other stories we've done on Pin Oak this week. Now, we made this easy to find playlist on the channel for you. And make sure you come back to the channel tomorrow. I'm talking to a group of students from Pin Oak. Hear what they have to say about their school and why they already feel ready for high school.
And a positive and supportive learning environment is one of the things teachers at Milne Elementary credit as part of their amazing transformation. Their school went from an F to a B in the 2025 accountability ratings.
We celebrated our kids throughout the year a lot, and those celebrations were bigger and bigger every single time throughout the year. So you knew that good things were honestly happening. So I'm gonna have to say, like, I wasn't surprised, but when you hear it, you're just like, wow, like that was the final outcome, which was pretty awesome.
And we know strong instructional leadership is what drives student success. And HISD students and teachers are receiving more support than ever before. Those are the headlines. In our latest For the Record, you can find this video on the channel right now.
Well, parents, whether you're new to HISD, returning or transferring, you need to complete the annual Student Information Update. You can find the Student Information Update link on our homepage at houstonisd.org. This quick online form lets you update contact info, health and medical information, and back-to-school consent forms all in one place. This ensures that your campus can reach you in an emergency, connects you to Parent Square, and much more. And like we just mentioned, your contact information needs to be correct so you can connect to Parent Square. This free app allows you to get updates from your child's campus and the district via text, email, or through the app.
And the new school year means new opportunities to volunteer with your campus. If you're interested in HISD's VIPS program, sign up today and get started on orientation. We posted the link on our socials. You can also find the link in the description of this video on our YouTube channel. By serving as a mentor, tutor, chaperone, or role model, you'll be directly supporting our students and communities.
Also, parents interested in having their child tested for gifted and talented, the deadline to submit your request is coming up on Monday, August 25th. You can find the link on our website or on our Instagram or Facebook pages, or just scan that QR code on your screen right now. There's also an info session for parents happening on Thursday. Again, the details and links are on our socials.
As always, thanks for watching HISD Now and connecting with us.
That's right. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you back here tomorrow.